Hello dear doers and welcome to this new accounting smart class. My name is Abdul Ghani Fuad Hussain. Let's see together what we can do in Odoo, a optimized multi-company environment. So let's talk about the use case first so that you can keep that in mind when. So FinCar's group involves a lot of interactions between the different. As their consultant, you need to come up to manage the intercompany workflow, so the different companies periodically for the expenses revenue they share. Together, and due to the pandemic, FP Cars, Belgium has invested into a brand new long-distance communication for all the subsidiaries the costs are. Belgium but should be supported by the UM and they also need to be able to see. Without the intercompany entry, so how can you handle multi-company? Well, it happens often that companies within a group re-invoice each other. Since they can be partners in there and group their purchases to save extra. What can we use in Odoo well? First, you have an intercompany transactions, with which synchronizes either the sale orders or the invoices, and we'll see just afterwards how this works. We also can use the journal groups in aggregated financial report without considering the earned intercompany transactions. So it happens a lot that for group reporting purposes, they need their PL, their balance sheet, or any but without considering all the meant for intercompany purposes. So the journal groups are a good way to go. Lastly, you can also use the analytic, which amounts to re-invoice to others. It can happen, so they make some, and at the end of the month, they see. That needs to be re-invoiced to you to the other company, so they make us it. Don't know the mother company made some, and they need to split the cost between the different subsidiaries. In that case, we can use genetic tax to. In order to isolate these with the proper share, find a way to re-invoice this amount let's do that together in the system. We need to synchronize the different transactions for the intercompany. So this actually super useful when you have difficulties communicating with other subsidiaries. The synchronization will enable you to shorten the gap, the time, the communication between our company. That's where you see, when they make the vendor bill, I'll have the customer automatically put in draft, so you need to select this and save. And you need to do this in multiple, so you have to solve this first so that design, configure this feature. So once this is activated, I need to go. And as you can see, I can decide to a certain amount of things. So I can decide to synchronize the invoices, the sale orders, the purchase orders, or